talking about parrots and creativity. In that regard, this time in Parrot Wisdom, we have something very exciting to share with you all. As the concept of Parrot Wisdom is to promote various forms of expression in an attempt to celebrate the idea that expression is liberty, we have planned a creativity marathon for you all. We wish to celebrate various forms of expression through different events in which we shall highlight the essence of creative categories, as in every event we shall humbly seek for the participation of our viewers who believe in our idea and are willing to contribute. We shall also ourselves try to enlighten you with creative contents produced exclusively by Parrot Wisdom. For the viewers, it is going to be a long ride through different forms of expression, and thus the name Parrot Express. Plan to host an event over months based on specific categories such as art, music, poetry, speech battles, dance, fashion, and others, where we shall share several Parrot Wisdom original content as well as feature the contents submitted by our viewers. Now you must be wondering why you might be interested in participating in it at all. Well, we all have a creative side, but our busy lives often restrict us from taking out some time to do these things. And in some cases, we don't find enough purpose to do these things. This drive is therefore designed to help you reminiscence your creative treasures and have a scope to share with the world. After all, you shall only have to contribute with contents of 2 minutes and above to us in specific categories which you want to, and we will do all the work behind the execution and promotion for you. Who knows what returns it could bring you? Excites you, then gear up and do contribute in Parrot Express. And also stay tuned to enjoy exclusive contents from Parrot Wisdom itself. That's about all for this video. If you resonate with parrots too, follow our page and stay tuned to know more.